Hello again, fragrance fam. It's Beth here with AFI. We've seen a huge boom in the men's fragrance and grooming market in the last couple years. I think it's only fair that the guys should get to enjoy the fun of finding a signature scent and wearing it in their daily lives. Beard care is a market I'm especially interested in. If you take care of the hair on your head, you should do the same for the hair on your face. Here's a recipe for a smoothing shea butter beard salve with a fragrance that any guy will love. Our version of Ties Bourbon by Bath & Body Works. Start with a heat-safe pouring pitcher to melt everything down in and get your hot plate warmed up. We'll use it to melt down the solid ingredients that will make the beard salve easy to work into facial hair, like fractionated coconut oil, which is super light and easily absorbed by hair. BTMS 25 is a conditioning emulsifier that's a staple in hair care. It adds shine and moisture to the hair, which is a must for keeping beard hairs looking healthy. Next, I'm adding in shea butter, which is ideal for coarse hair. It'll also give the salve a luxurious feel and great label appeal. Beeswax is another must. It'll give the product its salve-like texture, not quite a solid balm, but also not a leave-in conditioner. That'll melt down pretty quickly if you're using a pitcher on a hot plate like I am, so stir and remove it from the heat once all the solid bits are melted. If you don't have a metal pitcher like me, this salve can also be made in a double boiler setup with a glass beaker or measuring cup. The liquid is totally clear now, and I've got it off the heat so I can add some beard care superstar ingredients. Castor, argan, and jojoba oil are all known for strengthening even the roughest beard hair, keeping it thick and healthy. Stir them in well, you'll see the salve turn a milky color when you do. With the mixture having cooled a bit more, I can add the final touches. Our penultimate ingredient is vitamin E tocopherols, an essential antioxidant for just about any hair or beard care product. And last but not least, a bit of that fragrance. Our version of Bath & Body Works Ties Bourbon scent is classy with notes of bergamot and jasmine, but it's still pretty rugged thanks to the deep aroma of bourbon, oak, and musk blended in. You only need a tiny bit of it so the scent of the salve isn't overwhelming when used to smooth and condition a beard. After the final additions, the salve should be thickening up. While it's still fluid, pour it in some wide-mouthed tins, which are a favorite for packaging beard products. Setting the tins on top of a cooling rack helps airflow circulate evenly around the salve so it can cool consistently for a smooth final product. Give the tins a couple gentle taps to get a neat, even surface, and they can be left to cool to room temp for the next hour or so. When the salve is cooled and thickened, cap them off and they're done. The salve balances the hydration of a leave-in conditioner and the smoothing of a balm, all while smelling rich and manly. And I'd love to try it myself, but sadly I do not have a beard, but I know someone who does. Our cameraman, Nick, is gonna come on and try it out. Hey, Nick.
Hey, Beth. Hey, fragrance fam. That's nice. Feels nice.
Yes. Yay! Man with beard approved. If you want to see more tutorials like this so you can discover all the ways you can use fragrance, let me know and check out all our other videos. Thanks so much for watching, fragrance fam. I'll catch y'all again in the next one. Bye!